Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Kodiak local and long-distance movers near me. Have you ever wondered how it must be while shifting on your own? A stressful and time-consuming task requires extra effort and a handful of money. Moreover, handling other legal formalities along with shifting is not an easy task to accomplish. But don't worry, a professional moving firm, 3Movers, can do everything on your behalf and complete your shift within a defined time. Our certified moving firm has been in this business for over 20 years. And being the oldest moving firm, we have a good working relationship with the local federal association, so consider all your tasks easily accomplished. We are well known for our punctuality and work towards maximum satisfaction for our clients. We make sure to keep the charges affordable and services of high quality. Why us? Insurance on goods. We provide insurance on products that have been shifted through us. In case of wear and tear, the damage will be compensated through our moving firm without any extra charges or hidden fees. Notify our charges beforehand. While keeping a professional approach with our clients, we notify our charges beforehand so that our clients can make an informed decision and plan out the budget accordingly. Claim policy. We have an easy-to-claim policy so clients can file a claim within 90 days. Use secure wrapping material. Provide wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any